We are going to start with ROS2 installation, and this is the day 13 of 50 days of robotics. So let's get started with the video, and before moving forward, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and join the community. The links are given in the description, the Telegram community and also the Discord community. So let's get started with the installation. First step for the installation is to just simply search ROS2 official documentation, because we will be using the documentation steps, and just simply follow them for the installation process. The last video we discussed about the basic Ubuntu commands, and that will help in the installation process, but it is really simple. Make sure that you follow the steps. Okay, and after going to the documentation, we have to select the Humble distribution, and yeah, let's go into it. After going to the installation page, click here installation, and then you can select here Ubuntu dev packages. So there are other versions as well, but we are going to use the Humble version. It's really simple. First, make sure that your system is up to date. So I will just run sudo apt update, write your password, and make sure that your system is updated, because it helps in getting those dependencies which are lagging behind. And also you can upgrade some packages. So sudo apt upgrade, yeah, this will upgrade some packages, but I will currently not upgrade them because my internet connection is not good. You can just simply hit Y and get upgraded those packages. Now for the installation steps, first of all, like copy these from the set local. This will help in setting up the local. Actually, I have installed ROS2 completely, so it will not take much time on my system, and also this step doesn't take much time. So if that is executed, move to the further step, which is setting up the sources like repository. You have to just copy and paste here and hit enter. Okay, that process is already done on my system, but still I am executing it. If it takes time on your system, then just be patient, it will get executed. And then moving forward with the other one, you have to set up the key, which is essential for the repositories. Okay, that is set up, and then you have to get another command, just get it executed. That's simple. Then you have to do the sudo apt update and upgrade again. Okay, sudo apt update. Okay, it will update the system again. And also one important point is here, if you get any kind of error at these steps, then make sure that, for example, if you get the error at the ROS2 GPG key setup process, then go back again and try to execute these initial steps. If that solves the problem, then it's good. If you are getting the error, but if you are not able to solve that problem, you can connect with me on the community, not on Instagram or LinkedIn. By the way, you can also connect with me on Instagram and LinkedIn as well. That's the best way to get connected there. Right, so we did the update, and then now sudo apt upgrade again. It will get upgraded, and I don't want to just upgrade the system, but make sure that you upgrade it. Okay, and now here is the main installation part. You have to do the sudo apt install ROS Humble desktop, because it is the full setup of ROS environment. The base one is you don't get the graphical user interfaces like the simulation tools or else RVs. These kind of stuff are not included in the base version. And then the other one is the dev tools. You have to get the development tools for the ROS packages, which we are going to install. But the main difference between is the desktop and the base version. So we are going to install the desktop version. Make sure that you install this version itself. Okay, and then now pasting that here on the terminator. Actually it is installed on my system, so no problem. Now we will go through these command like ROS dev tools. Simply copying and pasting it here. That is also executed. And now you have to source the script, because the ROS is installed in the OPT folder of your Ubuntu system, which is the root directory. So you have to source that environment from that particular folder. That's why we use source, like source opt ROS Humble setup the bash. We are sourcing ROS from that folder and like making it available for this particular terminal. If you open another terminal, you have to source it again, right? Now we will just try to run this example to check if our installation process is completed or not. Okay, let's see if it is completed or not. Okay, the node is running. We are going to discuss all these things in detail, but just for the installation process we have to execute this. And make sure that you copy the another one as well, and split the terminator and try to run here. Sorry. Yeah, it is also running. So our installation process is done. If you get any error, I am again repeating, get connected with me on the community, as well as you can reach out to me on Instagram or LinkedIn. Okay, I am super active on LinkedIn, by the way. But yeah, these are the some like next installation steps, and if you want to uninstall the ROS2, you can get this, but you are following the 50 days of robotics, so I know that you are not going to uninstall the ROS2 from your system minimum for 50 days, I think so. Okay, that's the joke part, but for now we are done with the installation. Yeah, we will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye bye.